The forest monkey. A new monkey arrived in the forest. The monkey's name was Kittu. It performed many magical tricks. Showing an empty hand, it moved its hand this way and that, conjuring sugar, which amazed everyone. It gave the sugar to everyone. It took a flower, crushed it in its hands, and threw it into the sky. The flower turned into a bird and flew into the sky. Seeing this, the rabbits, mice, elephants, and deer of the forest were amazed. Everyone clapped and rejoiced. While performing tricks, the monkey suddenly asked the crowd, "Who is your leader?" "Our leader is Singaraja." "Why do you ask?" said a little mouse. Without answering, Kittu the monkey went to the lion's cave smiling. Standing at the entrance of Singaraja's cave, it shouted, "Hey cowardly lion, come out. If you have courage, fight with me." From inside the cave, the fox and Singaraja came out. "Greetings, monkey. Who are you? We haven't seen you in this forest before. Why are you shouting angrily?" asked the fox. "I come from the Himalayas. God has given me a lot of magical powers. Hand over this forest to me respectfully and run away, or I will destroy you in a minute. If you have courage, fight with me and win." Kittu challenged Singaraja to a fight. Moving its empty hand this way and that, it conjured sugar and threw it at the lion, saying, "Askulaska, kuskupuska." The lion became very angry. "You rascal, I'll smash you to pieces." The lion roared and pounced to hit the monkey. Immediately the fox went to the lion. "Singaraja, he's just a fake. I'll take care of him. You rest," said the fox. The fox went to the monkey and spoke. "Monkey, don't talk too much. I am also a great magician. Can you compete with me? Can you do the magic I do?" "What kind of magic can't I do?" asked Kittu arrogantly. "Come to the riverbank tomorrow morning when the sun rises, monkey. We can have our competition there," said the fox. Immediately the monkey said angrily, "Hey fox, if you lose tomorrow, Singaraja must leave this forest. After that, I will be the king of this forest. My word will be the law. Everyone must listen to me." "What will you do if you lose, monkey?" asked the fox. Immediately, the monkey said, "I will fall at Singaraja's feet, apologize, and leave." Kittu the monkey couldn't sleep all night. It kept thinking, what kind of trick don't we know? The next day, the fox and Kittu met at the riverbank. Everyone from the forest had gathered there. Singaraja also came eagerly. "I don't understand how he's going to win. He doesn't know any magic." Singaraja was very afraid. The fox called Kittu and pointed to a vine in the middle of the river. "Monkey, do you see that vine in the middle of the river? Whoever walks on the river and brings it back is the winner. Your hands shouldn't touch the water," said the fox. Kittu didn't know how to walk on water. However, it agreed, confident that no one could walk on water. It thought the fox would fall into the water anyway. Both got ready. First, the fox ran and jumped into the river. Everyone watched eagerly. The fox didn't sink into the water. It stood on one leg on the water. Everyone clapped, saying, "Super, super." The fox walked slowly on the river and even danced on the water. It mocked and laughed at Kittu. It took the vine from the middle of the river and showed it to Kittu. "Monkey, I walked on the river and came back. Now you walk and bring another vine," said the fox. Kittu felt dizzy. Although it had learned many magical tricks, it didn't know this one. Still, it decided to try and jumped into the river. It fell into the water with a splash. "I lost. Please forgive me." It apologized to Singaraja, giving him a ruby. "Monkey, no matter how skilled we are, we shouldn't be arrogant. It will destroy us," Singaraja advised. The magician monkey ran away from the forest. Singaraja and the animals of the forest didn't understand one thing. The fox didn't know any magic, so how did it walk on water? A little mouse went to the fox and asked, "Fox, how did you walk on water?" Singaraja also asked, "Yes, fox, how did you walk on water?" Singaraja, that monkey didn't know magic or tricks. It was a fraud. I saw it keeping small pieces of sugar between its fingers and moving its hand this way and that, crushing the pieces into powder and throwing them at you, as if it had conjured sugar out of thin air, said the fox. "Oh," Singaraja was surprised. "I knew then that it was a fake magician, so I decided to trick it and win. That's why I challenged the monkey to a walking on water competition," said the fox. "That's right, fox, but how did you walk on water?" asked Singaraja. "That's it. Last night I met our tortoise and his friends in the river and asked them to float inside the water hidden from view at certain places. That's why I walked on their backs, having fun. When the monkey tried to walk, the tortoise had moved away. That's all," the fox smiled. "Bravo, fox. You did great." Singaraja clapped and congratulated. Hearing this, the other animals of the forest also clapped and rejoiced.